Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 19, 2021. Today's video is about Portsmouth Cathedral. Portsmouth Cathedral is an Anglican cathedral in the centre of Old Portsmouth in Portsmouth, England. It is the cathedral of the Diocese of Portsmouth and the seat of the Bishop of Portsmouth. This photograph shows the cathedral's west grate organ, installed in 2001 to supplement the existing pipe organ that had been installed by Nicholson Co Ltd in 1994 by speaking directly into the nave. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.